All right, here we are at the 2018 Jayco Seismic toy hauler. 46-foot long. You got two awnings on this side. This is a 21-foot awning, and then another one right next to it, both electric. As well as your party deck out here with a TV, Furion speakers, two exterior doors to access, a sliding glass door to get to the party deck out here. You have two nice big pass-through storage areas on here. Diamond plating, rubber bottom. It's also ducted, so there is heat and AC that go in here if you need, or it's hot. Here's the second bigger one. Nice big pass-through storage. So those are those two. And then you have two propane tanks. Exterior outlet right here if you need. Propane tank number 1 on this side. Number 2 is on the other side. It does have a MORryde 5th wheel hitch receiver on there. LEDs in the front. Slide toppers over here. You got two slide toppers on each slide over here. Oh, almost forgot the generator. It does have a 5500 generator. It does have solar as well. I'll show you that up on top. So you have all that up here. Second propane tank. Your 6-point auto leveling system. So it's nice, you can just come out, boom, auto level, and then once you unhitched it, if you want to get ready to hitch height, retract all that's in there. The other side of the pass-through, as well as your water storage compartment. So out here you do have the outdoor shower, your backsplash, city connections, all that in here for you. Water heater, the other side of the pass-through. Your sewer tank, it is triple axle, so there's three axles. Over here you do have, this is your fuel for your generator, fuel for the fuel station, and then you do have a pump and everything out here so you can fuel up your toys or whatever you may need. This is for only unleaded only, so you can't use diesel in the storage. Well, that of course is for the generator. Pull down ladder. We'll go up I guess real quick so you can see the roof. It's gonna be kind of hard with one hand, bear with me. So you do have your solar up here, which is nice. Keep your batteries charged and going. The whole system's inside. I'll show you that when we get in. Sorry about the camera view going down the ladder. The back deck. Then also you just take the cables off so you can pull in your side-by-side sliding door. There's a pin on top. You just pull it and they flip out sideways. Both awnings do have full LED underneath it to give you light if you're out here at night. And then yeah, it is 6 points of contact for the leveling. 1, 2, 3. So you got 6 different jacks to help stabilize it. And here we are inside. You do have spots right here for 2 tables and poles underneath the bed for right now, so it could be a full-length table if you want. You have LED lights underneath the couch, underneath here. LED little strips around that. All the windows do have the day and night, the pull down. So if you want day, night. The sofa, this one pulls down, this one pulls down as well, or up. Have your cup holders, USB outlet. These all recline. This one unfortunately doesn't recline, but not a big problem. Nice thing too is these cup holders can get cold, hot, massage, recline. I mean, this has a lot of great features. Nice little fireplace, Furrion surround sound, subwoofers in here, your TV, for the surround sound. You do have your teddy bed up here, and there's actually, let me see if I can reach up, the ladder right here, you would just pull over here to this one, but it's actually 2 beds. So there's one here, and it goes around, I can't reach it, goes around back there. There's actually an air vent up there too, so if it's a little warmer or colder, they can stay insulated, or I guess, yeah. Nice big toy hauler part. A lot of people actually be making this into a master bedroom because it's bigger. Underneath the floor, if you are using it for side-by-sides, is your diamond mat. All your mounting points, if needed, is under here. There's 1, 2, 3, I think 4 rows of mounting brackets. And of course, this bed can convert into a bed. This can be all the way up, so if you don't need that, you can have that all the way up. A lot of different setups you can do with this. Table comes out real easy. The center part flips down on both for cup holders. There's also underneath the carpet right here a big toolbox or storage area if needed. This unit has washer dryer prep already. A second surround sound for just back here. A TV, half bath right here. A pretty good size for a toy hauler for a second bath. Also have your max air vent fan in here, so you can control that. You just see this unit's just beautiful. So right here's your control for your solar. All your switches in here for your lights, slides, awnings, all of that, which is nice. Your fuel pump, which is neat. So if you are using it for a toy hauler, it auto shuts off after 15 minutes, so you don't have to come back in to shut it off. And then this is equipped with the one control, which is nice. So essentially you can control your leveling, your awnings, everything in here. This is also a mobile app too, so you can control it all off your phone. So you can control everything in here, all off, all on, so forth. Really handy, especially with the app. You can just open the awnings, all your lights. Nice countertops in here, stainless steel appliances, stove, your oven, microwave, and dishwasher. Won't see many RVs with this, but a nice size dishwasher in here. All the controls are going to be right on top. Stainless steel. Your sink, you have a two bin sink. The LED lights underneath the countertops in here. Also, you have your little, if you need more counter space, you push down electrical spot. Just hit that red button. You got your USB normal outlets in there too. So we'll head to the back. The second AC is back here. Here's the control for it. Max air fan control for in here, which is nice. So you can set it on your different modes. Don't have to worry about reaching up. Your first little closet is right here. I call this his and then hers. On the other side there's a light in here too. We'll go through the bathroom. So you can get to the bathroom 2 different ways. Same with the bedroom, 2 different ways. I'll just go through this way because I love the bathroom. You got a tub in here, which is pretty rare. It's a 1-piece as well, which is nice. 2 skylights in here. Another vented fan. It's a beautiful RV. And the bedroom, here we go. So if you're using it just for a house, usually they have this as like the kids' room, the bunkhouse as actually the new master. But you got your 4th TV right here. It's hooked up to satellite right now, or antenna, so it's bugging out. But anyways, storage on each side of the bed, LED light behind it. You do have your charging station right here, which is pretty thoughtful of them. So if you're out on the road, you got your USB, your DC, AC, all the different power connections. And the second closet right here also has the LED lights in there. Or not, yeah, well, just lighting. And the storage underneath. This, I call this one hers, because even though they're the same size, but it has this in here. Little vanity flip up, which is kind of nice. Another outlet. Outlets all over in here. And then underneath the bed, I'll show you, is the 2 tabletops and more storage. But the tabletops and legs, if you did want the tables out here, once again, you can put the 2 tables right here, or 1, however you want. It's pretty good setup. On the fridge, we almost forgot. Nice big 4-door Norcold fridge and freezer. So you can just see how big that freezer is. And the fridge, ample space. So you could have 2 people, well, 2 up here, 1 here, and the other bed goes back over here. So 2 people up here, 2 down here, because that folds into a bed. This just flips over. Another bed up here. So 2, 4, 6, and then the other bed, 8 people comfortably in this unit with 2 bathrooms. So, and also the speakers in the back. Back here, this surround sound, because there's 2 different setups. This surround sound controls these Farion speakers out here if you wanted to have music out here.